As I delve deeper into the realm of neuroplasticity and the interconnectedness of mind and body, I find myself increasingly intrigued by the subconscious mind. Human consciousness encompasses various levels, including the preconscious, unconscious, and the more recently emphasized superconscious. However, for simplicity's sake and to maintain clarity, I'll primarily focus on the subconscious in this discussion. Not too long ago, mentioning the term subconscious was often met with skepticism or deemed esoteric. Yet, thanks to influential figures in the field like Dr. Joe Dispenza and Dr. Bruce Lipton, the concept of the subconscious has emerged from obscurity and gained mainstream recognition. Cutting-edge disciplines within neuroscience, such as psychoneuroimmunology and epigenetics, further fuel curiosity surrounding this foundational element of our consciousness. In this blog post, I explore the nature of the subconscious, its pervasive influence on our actions and behaviors, and the immense power it holds over our lives. The human mind operates on two distinct levels, the conscious and the subconscious. While both play vital roles, they operate in tandem, influencing our thoughts, actions, and behaviors. The conscious mind is our immediate awareness of the present moment. It focuses on singular tasks and processes sensory information, such as our surroundings or the people we interact with. It's responsible for our direct experiences and requires focused attention to perform tasks. In contrast, the subconscious mind handles essential but often overlooked functions like breathing, sleeping, and organ regulation. However, it also serves as a reservoir for a vast array of information that shapes our thoughts, actions, and beliefs. This underlying layer of consciousness holds onto memories, habits, and learned behaviors that influence our daily lives. To illustrate, consider the process of learning to drive a car, especially one with a manual transmission. Initially, every action, changing gears, braking, turning, requires conscious effort and focused attention. Over time, with practice and repetition, these tasks become ingrained in our subconscious. Eventually, we can perform them automatically, with little conscious effort, allowing us to drive efficiently while our attention focuses on other aspects of the experience. Yet, the subconscious encompasses far more than just learned behaviors. It holds deep-seated beliefs, emotions, and experiences that shape our perceptions and responses to the world around us. While science continues to unravel the complexities of the subconscious, its influence on our daily lives is undeniable and warrants further exploration. The subconscious mind serves as a vast repository of our past experiences, memories, emotions, and beliefs. It operates like a colossal memory bank, storing an immense amount of information akin to programs on a computer. With virtually unlimited capacity, the subconscious has the remarkable ability to accumulate an extensive array of data. By the age of 21, an individual has stored an amount of information equivalent to the contents of the entire Encyclopedia Britannica, multiplied hundreds of times over. In terms of processing power, the subconscious mind dwarfs the conscious mind by millions of times. Its primary function is to store and retrieve data, holding on to a wealth of information that shapes our perceptions and responses to the world around us. The concept that humans only utilize a portion of their brain capacity aligns with the staggering potential of the subconscious mind. The graphic below illustrates the vastness of the subconscious and offers visual insight into why this portion of our brain remains largely untapped. Now let's delve into the astonishing power of your subconscious mind and explore the reasons behind its immense influence. Understanding the subconscious is crucial because it essentially governs everything in our lives. While we may believe we're consciously directing our actions, decisions, and emotions, the reality is that the subconscious mind plays a predominant role. An astounding 95% of our human experience is driven by the subconscious, leaving only about 5% for conscious activity during the day. This means that much of what we do, think, and feel occurs automatically and unconsciously. Our subconscious programming often dictates our behaviors and can sometimes contradict our conscious desires. To achieve meaningful and lasting change in life, it's essential to grasp how the subconscious operates. By gaining insight into its workings, we gain significant control over our lives. empowering us to align our subconscious programming with our conscious goals and aspirations. This knowledge offers a pathway to real and sustainable transformation. The subconscious acts as a loyal executor of our programmed beliefs and behaviors, ensuring that our responses align precisely with our existing patterns. It operates without reasoning or logic, simply following the commands it receives from the conscious mind. This underscores the importance of being mindful of the instructions we give to our subconscious. In this analogy, the conscious mind serves as the gardener, planting the seeds of thought and intention, while the subconscious functions as the fertile soil that nurtures their growth. It dutifully executes the directives issued by the conscious mind, working tirelessly day and night to maintain alignment with our established mental constructs. Essentially, the subconscious manifests outcomes based on the mental inputs it receives, whether they are constructive or detrimental. It has an unwavering commitment to carry out its role, cultivating either positive or negative results depending on the seeds planted by the conscious mind. Our subconscious programs, akin to a programmable hard drive, are formed through our life experiences, which are absorbed and stored in the unconscious mind. This repository of habitual responses and learned behaviors is heavily influenced by our early life experiences, particularly those occurring before the age of 7. During this formative period, our brains are in a theta brain state, akin to a state of hypnosis, where we absorb information primarily by observing others, especially our parents, siblings, and community members. The subconscious mind processes and internalizes these experiences, forming intricate connections based on what we see, hear, feel, taste, and smell. Remarkably, around 95% of our daily actions and behaviors are driven by these subconscious programs acquired in childhood. Consequently, we often find ourselves operating on autopilot, governed by the habits and beliefs instilled in us during our formative years. Despite our conscious intentions to pursue personal goals and dreams, we may encounter challenges because our actions are influenced by deeply ingrained habits acquired from others. It's important to note that this process occurs beneath our conscious awareness, shaping our fundamental behaviors, beliefs, and attitudes without our explicit recognition. These early life programs, once established in the subconscious mind, exert significant control over various aspects of our lives, including our biological responses, unless deliberate efforts are made to reprogram them. Thus, understanding how these subconscious programs manifest in our daily lives is crucial for initiating meaningful change and personal growth. Your subconscious mind is constantly at work, influencing your daily decisions and actions in ways you may not even realize. From quick judgments and recurring thoughts to preferences in beverages and vehicles, your subconscious plays a significant role in shaping your everyday experiences. For instance, your preference for certain flowers or the reactions triggered by your partner's expressions are all influenced by your subconscious programming. Despite appearing unrelated, these occurrences provide insights into the complexities of your inner world, operating beyond conscious awareness. Indeed, the majority of our daily activities occur unconsciously, highlighting the profound impact of the subconscious on our lives. Understanding the workings of the subconscious can be immensely beneficial in navigating life's challenges and pursuing personal goals. However, it's worth noting that the conscious and subconscious minds may hold contrasting beliefs, leading to internal conflicts that influence our thoughts and behaviors. Have you ever found yourself working towards a goal only to encounter obstacles at every turn? It can be incredibly frustrating, but it's important to understand that this struggle often stems from a conflict between your conscious desires and subconscious beliefs. If you feel stuck or unable to progress despite your best efforts, it's likely that your subconscious mind is holding you back. This is because the subconscious is resistant to change and prefers to maintain the status quo, even if your conscious mind is eager for transformation. This resistance is driven by the subconscious's desire to keep you safe and secure, even if it means staying in a familiar but unfulfilling situation. It operates on the principle of secondary gain, where there's a perceived benefit to maintaining the current state, often related to feelings of safety and survival. While it may be challenging to accept this dynamic, especially in the face of adversity, it's possible to create significant shifts in the subconscious that can positively impact your life. Don't lose hope when faced with conflict or resistance, as they often signal that you're on the right path. By gently exploring our limiting beliefs, traumatic memories, and pain, we can prompt the subconscious to consider change and shift its perspective. Once the subconscious recognizes that holding on to old beliefs no longer serves a purpose, it becomes receptive to change. For instance, imagine you're grappling with the pain of rejection from someone important to you. Your subconscious, like a detective, searches through countless memories to find past instances of rejection. It might recall childhood experiences or witnessing rejection in others, leading to the belief that you're unworthy or unlovable. Now, here's where it gets intriguing. If you encounter an experience that contradicts an established belief, your subconscious will either reject it or reinterpret it to fit existing beliefs. This means your brain will go to great lengths to maintain the reality dictated by your subconscious, even if it's not true. For example, if you believe you're unattractive and an attractive person expresses interest in you, your subconscious might reject this notion, offering evidence to support your belief. You might doubt their sincerity or even sabotage the opportunity, aligning with your long-held belief. However, once you realize that these beliefs are outdated and no longer serve you, you can start reshaping your narrative. This shift empowers you to take control of your life, moving from a passive observer to an active participant in shaping your reality. The subconscious mind is a powerful force that can greatly impact your life, either positively or negatively, depending on your understanding of it. Recognizing and understanding the relationship between your conscious and unconscious minds is essential for creating a life you truly enjoy. By nurturing both aspects of your mind, you can effectively transform your reality. To conclude, I'll leave you with this profound quote by Carl Jung. "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate." This emphasizes the importance of becoming aware of your subconscious and taking control of its influence in order to shape your own destiny.